Okay, so in order to upload your CCAs into TheraNest or other clinical documents into TheraNest, we first want to, of course, log into TheraNest and navigate over to the Clients tab. All right, we're going to click on the Clients tab and select the client. All right, and once we select that client, if you notice, there are some tabs up here and there's something that says General Documents. This is not where we will be saving the CCA. What you'll do is go into Cases. There we go. We see Open Cases for this client. We're going to go into Case Info and then over to clinical documents. Once you are into the clinical document section, you'll see any documents that were already uploaded for this client. In order to upload new documents, i.e. your CCA, you will click this little floppy disk icon right here. Upload files. You will select the file that you want to upload and you will click save, open, whatever that button is that prompts you to open that file so that it is uploaded into the system. Once it is uploaded into the system, that is all that you need to do. All right, there's no other buttons as I'm scrolling down. There's no other save buttons or anything like that. So once you have uploaded that file into the clinical documents section of your client's case file, that is all that you have to do. All right, so if you have any questions, feel free to let me know, comment, shoot me a message, and I'll be happy to answer any questions that you may have. Thanks so much.